This is my 2008 R6S. As you can see, I have powder coated the clutch set and the brake set. I have powder coated all the bolts, and as well as the brake lever and the clutch lever. I've installed HIDs. Got a black chrome mirror and smaller set of mirrors. Just installed my M4 exhaust, which is a little bit louder than what I thought it would be. As you can maybe see from the picture, there's no baffle or anything. It's pretty much straight pipe. But I'll start it up and let you hear it.